work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, show your ass, work it, work it, show your ass, work it, work it, work it, show your ass, work it, work it, show your ass, work it. Fine girls wanna work it, girl, I like the way you work it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this invisible sewing for just £12. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe and click the notification bell, and also share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve it. I've done something like this recently, but some of you were complaining that the price of that hair was too much for you, so I decided to look for something cheaper. This is $12. This is £12. This is what the pack looks like, but I'm going to show you guys everything in the video. You're going to see everything in detail in this video. I use just this pack. In one pack, 2 bundles come in one pack for £12, you know. So even if you live in the US, you can look for the name of the hair and just try and see if you can see it in a beauty supply store, because I bought it from a beauty supply store. I don't know if it's on Amazon yet, but I'm going to check to see if it's on Amazon. If it's there, I'm going to link it in the description box below. And also in the video, I'm going to check at the end of the video, I'm going to check to see if it's going to work with heat. If I'm going to use my hair straightener to straighten it and see if it's going to be able to withstand the heat. So that's what it's going to be. Let's just get into this tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm so sorry about my lighting in this clip. I'm just realizing that it's too bright. Really sorry about that. As you guys can see, I'm gonna start with my braiding pattern, but right here I'm just gonna pat out my leave out.
It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it.
So right here, I'm just gonna secure my leave out.
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right.
Then right here, I'm gonna begin with my braiding pattern. Guys, this is the hair I'll be using. It's called classic Brazilian hair. I bought this from a beauty supply store, and I bought it in color 1B, and I bought it for £11.99, £12. It can be straightened, you can cut it, you can style it, and you can revitalize it. That's what they wrote on the pack. Here's what it is. Well, the feeling of the hair is a little bit coarse, you know, it's not so soft. That's the number one thing I noticed. It's a little bit coarse, but I just hope that we can use hair straightener on it. I'm going to try it and show you guys. I'm going to try it and show you guys if it works or not. But if it works, man, that means this deal is a great deal. Like, it's going to save you a lot of money. So in a pack, we have 2 bundles like this, and it's 24 inches long. So this is what it looks like. So right here, I'm going to start with the first bundle. For this bundle, I'm going to double the weft. I'm just going to go ahead and start sewing it to my hair.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Oh baby, if you ever need a helper, hey.
So right here I'm done sewing the first bundle. The bundle is not really much, but I'm gonna find a way to work with it. I'm gonna begin with the second bundle. This time I'm gonna sew in single weft so that way it's gonna fill up the gap in the middle.
I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your clock.
So right here I'm done with the middle and I have a little bit left, so I'm gonna add it in front like so.
No matter my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure, whatever's the weather. Day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
And yes guys, I'm done adding it. It's okay, it's not so full, but I can very well work with this quantity. So right here I'm just gonna take out my leave out and I'm gonna apply my black castor oil. You can straighten your hair or you can use a blow dryer to blow dry your hair, you know, whatever you can do to stretch your hair very well, but I just decided not to straighten my hair. So I just went ahead and combed my hair, brushed it, and then I'm going to put it into a ponytail. So yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. And please share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. So guys, you guys can actually see that this 12 pounds yaki hair is not that bad, to be honest. Let me put on my hot iron and see if it's gonna work and try I'm gonna go ahead and try my straightener on it. I'm gonna spray my heat protectant because that's what I do when I'm about to straighten any hair I have. Brush it and let's just hope. Let me do a little bit. Wow, you guys can see, you can straighten this hair. Oh god, this hair is really nice, seriously.
Baby, fresh on the beach and it's giving them up.